one product is cuter than the next at Embroider Buddy. So if you would like to become a retailer, go to the link below, fill out the application. We're gonna do Toffee Doggy today. We're gonna put a very big monogram here on the tummy. You have lots of different options for hoops because they make it so easy. We pull the belly out, we pull the head out, and then we're able to lay it flat, and we can hoop it with a 22 centimeter. We can hoop it with a mighty hoop. Today I'm gonna use the 7 1/4 mighty hoop. That's how big I can get inside of there to put the big monogram. So what I did was I always find my center first while it's in its finished state, and I just come down from the nose so I know that that is my center. Now you just come to the back. There's a hidden zipper that only we can find. It is a high quality zipper. I'm going to go ahead and take the tummy out, and then I'm going to go ahead and take the head out. Now that allows you to lay it flat on the table like this. Now I know that at Mighty Hoops, they sell a product that holds the backing to your hoop. But what I did was I just taped this on here. And normally I wouldn't do that. But because it's such a big monogram, I'm going to go ahead and do that today. Now, if you want to use spray sticky or if you want to use a sticky backing, that is an option. But I just want you to be aware that if you do use that option, you may just have to change your needle because sometimes that sticky spray or that that sticky backing can sometimes gunk up your needles. So just keep an eye on your needles if that is the option that you like. All right, so I have the bottom of the hoop in, and I'm just gonna kind of pull it flat. So when we monogram, we don't pull on fabric after we hoop it, but Embroider Buddy's quality is so good. It's such a great quality. You don't have to worry about pulling on the corner to get a little wrinkle out if your particular hoop is, if you see a little wrinkle. So this makes it so easy. You can kind of tug on it a little bit to make sure that you don't have any wrinkles and hoop it upside down. It's okay if you don't have a mighty hoop. You could definitely just use a standard hoop. This is a 22 centimeter or an 8.2 inch hoop, and it works just fine in case you want to put a lot of information. So you could use either one. $18.93 and $16.48 green. I think it came out amazing. I think this design is very proportional to the Toffee Doggy. I think it works out just perfect. And really, I could have used a 6 1/2 mighty hoop. I did not have to use a 7 1/4. I just kind of wanted to show you that you could use a 7 1/4 if you like. But I think it looks so cute.